Have you been trying to go live with a guest on TikTok but the guest request is not working? Don't worry, because in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok guest request not working. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. This issue usually arises if the guest have fewer than 1,000 followers, but don't worry because I found a new way to fix this problem. As you can see, our request has been sent successfully to TikTok support, and the problem should be solved in less than 2 days. If this was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos.